It's a potato thing, you know?
Hey guys, Potato Life here. Potato Life here, and we're about to go to the movies. We're about to go to the movies. Look at this. Look, we got a potato right there. Look at you. They got little potato cheeks. Little potato cheeks. Look at you. You look like a dork. She look like somebody's grandmama. That's a potato right there.
Oh, shit.
We about to go see Harley Quinn right now, but look like Michigan having a little snowstorm right now.
Look like Michigan's acting like a little bitch right now.
Wow. Damn! Wow. But luckily the movie theater is just down there, so we don't got that much far to drive. So we'll make it back before it get too treacherous.
Treacherous?
How you feeling today?
Treacherous?
How you?
Spell red.
Red? L-S-T-E-R.
All right.
Even spell treacherous.
Look at her. Don't she look like a little Eskimo? I found her out of igloo.
Potatoes. Today we are going to see Harley Quinn.
It's called Birds of Prey, actually.
Well, Birds of Prey, anyway. But
She about to get hit by a car.
fuck. Shit. But anyway. Yep.
Oh, you see the chariot over there. We got the mom and kids whip. That's all me. Oh. Shit! Fuck! I almost died on some ice.
So, but then, how do you feel about going to see this movie? Huh?
Trying to zip up my coat. That's how I feel.
Why don't you have your coat zipped up? You see it's snowing out here.
So small.
Huh?
The zipper's so small.
You not gonna show them your coat? Huh? Okay, thinking you gonna survive out here in the cold. Uh-huh. AMC, Star Theater. In the snow. No gloves, no hat, no scarf. You know? So where are we going?
You already seen the Harley Quinn movie Theater 5.
Yeah.
Star Theater.
Yeah.
Go ahead, show them, KV. Don't got this in their city. That's why Android phones are better, because they can record front and back at the same time.
Yeah.
Not at the same time, but you could just switch it. You don't have to turn the video off. And that's why I've been telling everybody, you got an iPhone, you just waste your money, you wasting your time. You just following everybody else's trend.
And
Android is a real phone. That's a real smartphone.
And as you
iPhones
can,
are stupid phones.
and as you can see, that was a public service announcement from Eric.
Stupid phones. Now we going to Theater 5. Birds of Prey. So, potatoes.
So we just got back from the movies. What did you think? How did you think it was?
It's not bad. The fight scenes was good. They broke a lot of people's legs. I like the costume design. You know, I'm a fashion guy, so I was like, okay. You know, everybody was fighting good. Looking the part. What did you think, huh?
I thought it was pretty good.
There's this guy in the movie theater who kept on making noises the whole time.
Speak. Talking the whole entire time.
It was
He
funny
was so
though.
loud.
His little brother was all the way in the back. He was like, "Shut up, Alvin."
You need to shut the fuck up.
How was his name?
Oh yeah. Look at that. We're about to get to cooking in a second. Stay tuned. But she wouldn't cook. She acted like it's all special. But chicken Alfredo with the fettuccine. About to cut us the chicken. And put the sausage in there, little spinach, little tomatoes, little onions, you know. I don't know who tore this that, but she probably did. Look at that. That's not the tear here. She tore it all the way through. Stuff, you know, I got a little seasoning. You want to season up your stuff. Here's a good one. If you're making Alfredo or any type of spaghetti dish, anything Italian, got the Italian seasoning, oregano. I'm pretty sure oregano's already in there. I always put a little dash of seasoned salt, pepper, of course. I like a little spicy, so we'll put a little bit of paprika. It may not be for everybody, but a little bit. A little bit of onion powder, even though we got some onions over there, just a little bit. Basil, which I'm pretty sure is already in the Italian mix, and thyme mix, which is pretty. All three of these are, I'm guaranteed they're probably already in the Italian mix, but it don't hurt to put a little bit more. I'm gonna hit that with the rubber duck. Before all the red meat, she only used to season with salt and pepper, so.
That is not true.
I had to go in there and change her life, but she always wanna call me like I'm the white one of the relationship, but I had to show her a lot of things that she should already know how to do. She used to do before this, put a dash of salt and a dash of pepper on everything.
My mom did a lot more than that, thank you very
I'm talking
much.
about how you cook, not your mom cook. And see, we went straight from the cutting board to the pan. We got the chicken in there. You can see the nice little season on it. Come get the whip, get a little bit of the aroma. Then we just dropped our little fettuccine in here, a little fettuccine. We going with the box noodles this time, you know.
You've
Box
never made
noodles
fresh
noodles.
pasta before.
Okay, we ain't got nothing to make fresh pasta with. Got it on 12-minute timer because that's what the box said. Unlike most dudes, I follow the directions sometimes. I don't always read them, but I follow them sometimes when it comes to cooking. Because I try to do it the best I can. You know. And what was crazy was, Autumn was supposed to cook this meal, but look who's cooking it.
I'm editing a
Looks
video.
like she's gonna wash the dishes.
I'm editing a video.
And what else we gonna add in here? We're gonna go straight over to the station. You're gonna see, cut up a little bit of this sausage, you know. I like to get this sausage, put in a little bit of everything, you know. Sometimes I want some eggs in the morning, cut up a little bit, put it in there.
I'm the one that
Or
made you
maybe-
breakfast this
or maybe
morning.
I just want a little bit of hot dog or something like that. Cut it, put it in there. I like stir fry. I've been to Mongolian barbecue. I always put a little bit of sausage in there. So we make stir fry, put it in there. Guess what we're gonna put it in now? Chicken Alfredo. Put it in there. And then you put it in everything. Go ahead, taste this, see if it tastes al dente.
Yeah.
I got this tear on me because I cut them onions.
What's here? There's no tear.
That's right, I'm gonna cry when I cut onions because I'm a real man. Look in here, we got the onions and we got the sausages. I might put the little tomatoes in there. The chicken's complete. But Autumn was editing the video, so the chicken got a little bit crispy because I was cutting them up and I turned around. But it ain't no thing to me. I like them a little bit crispy. I don't like my chicken pink, so I don't know how y'all do that. So it never set off my shoulders. It's gonna be an Alfredo sausage. You may see this on them cooking videos, but put a little cold water on it. It'll stop it from cooking. Now we're gonna try to flip these over. Let's see how the other side looking. Ooh. Crispy, how I like it. We got that. I might turn it down a little bit. Ooh. It's not burned, it's caramelized. You see the onions in there, it's caramelized. You don't burn onions, you caramelize onions. And that's how you gotta eat them sausages. I don't wanna see it pink no more. How I eat my hot dogs, I don't even wanna see them pink no more. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Once these are finished, we're gonna put them all in this pot over here.
It's not a crock pot.
I said pot. Like pop, but with two P-O-T. Everything in there now. Spinach, tomatoes, fettuccine, sausage, and the chicken. So we put it all in one pot. This is the Autumn's method of doing it. So we got a little big.
How'd you say that?
Big.
It's ragu.
Big. You
Ragu.
gonna put the whole thing in there, or how much you trying to put in there?
You know, I like a lot of sauce.
So
Just do the whole thing.
she trying to tell me to cook, but she not. You didn't see her pass it.
I'm editing a
You didn't
video.
see her pass this kitchen on day one time.
I'm standing in the kitchen.
Because she wanted to cook breakfast this morning, but I still ended up doing all the dishes. But look in that sink. Tell me how many dishes it is. I done did all the dishes while I was cooking.
1, 2.
Look, I filled the damn dish thing up. She want to use 15, 30, 45, 73 dishes. You don't need all of that to cook. You really don't. See me out here? And this is a pro tip too. Some of y'all may just throw it away after. That's not how we do it.
I told you
That's
how
not
to do
we
that.
it. Papa taught me how to do it. That's not how we do it. Put a little water in there, shake it. Shake it, shake. Not too much water, but a little bit. Whoop. That's it. Now you can go shower and recycle it. Don't throw it away. And we're gonna put this on the wrong one. That was just a test to see if it worked or not. Ooh, let's put it on 2. Put on 2. The key is you get the sauce over everything, stir it around, and then you wait till the sauce starts bubbling. That's how you know it's ready to go. Got my little spoon. Here we go.
Spoon.
Ooh. Come over here and see the action. You know how I do. Ooh, get it over everything. Get it over everything. You here. What they call it, S-mark. Sprinkle a little Alfredo on the fridge now. Get to. Ooh, smell that ragu?